I look at this in this way. Those that are raising capital with partners, at some point the partner is going to say, I want out. Then what happens? And most of the partners will likely want out at the worst time. So you've worked 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years for your partner to say, I want out. Now, when your plan was to pay it down, or your plan was to cash flow out of it, or your plan was whatever your plan was.
Yep.
So when you compound this, you may be going, 10 steps faster at the beginning, but the fact that you will have to sell half or sell a third or sell whatever portion, plus pay capital gains or refinance, may not actually get you further ahead, unless you're truly 10xing this, further ahead than somebody simple like me that just buys a property, no headaches. I don't sell if I don't need to. I don't refinance if I don't want to, and just start slowly paying them off and try to make my life as simple as possible. So that's the part 2 of it. Don't have to manage. I don't have to do babysitting for investors mainly, and then I try to focus on the team instead. Yeah.